Here are 3 variations of the infamous Drunkard's Path quilt block. Which one will I choose to reproduce during this video? Well, stay tuned to find out. Step number 1 in completing the Drunkard's Path quilt block is using the AccuQuilt GO to accurately and rapidly cut out the pieces to the block. Stay tuned and watch me do it. Step number 2 in assembling the Drunkard's Path quilt block is to assemble the 4 individual units that make up the block, and those 4 units include the quarter circle shape, which is this one, and it also includes the arc shape, which is this one. Stay tuned as you watch me assemble the units. Step number 3 is assembling the 4 units together to complete the block. And I kind of already cheated and started assembling, but here we are, half. Assemble this piece and this piece together to complete your block.